If you want to learn how to make this delicious weight loss salad, then what? Keep watching this video. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be making a delicious weight loss salad. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Okay, so let's make this deliciousness. It is so simple and easy. You can make this ahead of time and just put it away and take it with you on your way out the house, or just make it whenever you feel hungry. You can just have it to eat, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Now I am adding some slivered almonds. You can use any nuts that you like. I'm just using slivered almonds, and these are toasted slivered almonds. Everything for this recipe will be in the description box, including the measurement amount. Right now I have 1/2 cups of slivered almonds. I have 1/3 cups of cranberries. I like to add just a little sweet to it. And now I'll be adding some strawberries. So my delicious strawberry salad. So good. Give it some nice color. Just spread your strawberries all over like that. And already this salad is looking delicious. Okay. To that I have an avocado. And this is how I cut my avocados, okay? Like this. And like that. And like this. If you like what you see so far, guys, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. Go ahead, and then you use a spoon and you just scoop it out. It is so simple and so easy. You don't have to go crazy when it comes to cutting avocados. See that? Perfect. Scooping out. And then you just add it all over just like that. Absolutely delicious. Okay? You can add half of an avocado. You can add an entire avocado. It's up to you. So this is our simple, easy, and delicious salad. Let's go ahead and make a delicious, healthy dressing for our salad. Move this to the side. I will add 1/3 cups of balsamic vinaigrette. Teaspoon of salt. Tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard. I was looking for Dijon mustard, but I didn't have it, so I'm just using regular yellow mustard. That's perfectly fine too. You will need to cover this up and shake, 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 just to mix everything together. Now I am going to pour this all over it, just like that. Look at that. I know, Maxine's Corner. You have done it again. Thank you, and you're welcome. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And that's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. I am going to dig into this deliciousness, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. And go ahead and say it with me, stay healthy.